How to enable and use built-in translation in Edge, Chrome, and Safari. People use built-in browser translation to instantly understand foreign language websites without switching apps or copying text elsewhere. This video demonstrates how to enable and use the built-in translation features in Edge, Chrome, and Safari. How to enable and use translation features in Google Chrome. To enable Chrome's built-in translation, open Chrome settings by clicking the three dots menu in the top right corner.
Click Settings.
Click Languages to expand the section. In the same section, click Add Languages to include any you want Chrome to recognize if the desired language is not listed. Drag your preferred language to the top of the list by moving down the original language or move up the desired language so that the desired language listed in the top. To translate a web page into your preferred language, right-click anywhere on the page and select Translate to your language. To restore the original language, click Original Language. In this example, English. Here are some practical tips for troubleshooting translation issues in Google Chrome. Check translation settings by going to Chrome//settings/languages. Ensure Use Google Translate is turned on. Update Google Chrome by navigating to Chrome//settings/help to force an update. Restart the Chrome. How to enable and use translation features in Microsoft Edge.
To enable translation features in Microsoft Edge, click the three-dot menu, midline horizontal ellipsis, in the top right corner. Click Settings. Click Languages. If your preferred languages are not listed, click Add Languages and follow the instructions to choose your desired language. Click Add. Click the three dots next to your desired language. Then check Offer to translate pages that aren't in a language I read. Restart the Edge. Right-click the page and select Translate to your desired language, Chinese simplified in our example. To restore the default language, click the Translate icon in top. Click Show Original. If you right-click on the page and it shows Translate to Original Language, instead of your desired language, it may be because the page's language is listed in your preferred languages. In that case, Edge assumes you can read it and won't offer to translate it. To fix it, move the original language down or move the desired language up, so the desired language appears at the top of the list. Or force a translation by right-clicking anywhere on the page and selecting Translate to English. Click the Translate icon in the address bar, then select Translate from English to Chinese, simplified. Click Translate.
It may take a few seconds to translate.
To restore the default language, click the Translate icon in top. Click Show Original.
Here are key tips to troubleshoot translation issues in Microsoft Edge. How to enable and use Safari translation. First, make sure the language you want to translate to is included in your preferred languages list. Go to System Settings. Click General. Click Language and Region. Under Preferred Languages, click the plus button. Select the language you want Safari to offer, for example, Chinese, Traditional. Click Add. Choose Use English, your current language. When prompted, this keeps your system language unchanged but adds translation support. Select you prefer input, for example, Pinyin. Click Add. Close the system settings. Restart Safari and revisit the web page. Translate icon shows up in address bar. To enable Safari translation, click the Translate icon. And then choose your desired language, Chinese simplify in our example. Select Enable Translation if prompted. It may take a few seconds for the desired language to appear. If Safari's translation feature isn't working properly on your MacBook, here's a structured troubleshooting guide to help you get it back on track.